Hello, girl. Can I have way to my car?
Okay.
Hey! What is it? What is it? What is it? What's happening here? What is it? What is it? Oh, what is it? What is it? Hey, God, save me, save me, save me. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Oh, what is it? What's happening here? What's happening here? God, help me, help me. Somebody help. Somebody. What just happened here now? Oh my God. Oh my God. Like, I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Where is this? Jesus Christ. Hey! My money! Jesus Christ. My money, my phones! My phones, my phones! What's happening here? Oh God. Hey! Jesus Christ!
Wait. I saw what happened. I saw everything as those girls tied you, right?
You mean
worry.
you saw those girls?
I saw them. I'm taking you to where they are.
Please, where?
Go down, let's go.
Okay. Okay, I'm down. Where? Which way?
This way.
Okay.
This way. Let's go.
Oh my God, though. Oh my God, we are rich.
iPhone, see iPhone. This one is for me. No. Wait, now this is for me. Yes, now my deal. It's not follow. You need to share this money, sharp. Yes. Let's get change it. Share it. I will change my own. I know where to change it. Yes.
Okay, let me count this for all this.
Sharp.
That girl that looks so innocent.
Go down. I will deal with it. See, bro, I wouldn't want us to make any mistake at all because I will deal with these girls mercilessly. I'm telling you, mercilessly.
It be fast. No, I'll give you 40 then.
40.
Yeah, I'll take 60.
Babe, man, put me 5.
Bring the phone. No, we'll go sell the phone now. It's okay.
Yes. Oh my God. Hey,
Under arrest.
oh my. Let me see. If not,
If say anything,
I will like.
Okay. You are sorry.
This
Girls come like. If I want you now.
prison stress.
See, not even. Wait, before that prison. Oh yeah, my money. If you move, let me give my money. My phone. Come on, my phone.
Police station.
You know what, bro? Now let me teach them something. Let me teach them. Let me have the watch.
Okay.
Let me have the watch.
Oh, see the bag.
Let me teach you something.
Hey.
Oh yeah. Bring you up.
Come on. Let me teach you something. You want to see, right? Let me. Come on. Let me have this. Come on. Let me have this. See.
Pack all of them. Hey, hold them. Come back.
Yeah. Let me tell you something. Next time, oh my God, what's happening? So you don't even know who to trust again. So those girls, that girl in particular. Hey, no problem. It's alright. Thank God I recovered everything, and I'm even having their own thing in my possession.
Oh, you like my video now? Please like, comment and share. If you're not following the page, please do well by following my page. Okay, I love you all. Thank you.